In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Google Drive. This handy feature is especially useful for quickly adjusting the orientation of pictures without the need for additional software. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide so you can manage your images with ease. First, you need to open Google Drive in your web browser. Ensure you're logged into your Google account. You won't be able to access your Drive without signing in. Once you're in Google Drive, navigate to the folder where your image is stored or directly locate your image using the search bar at the top. Google Drive's powerful search feature allows you to find files quickly by keywords, which is incredibly convenient if you have a large number of files. After you've located the image you wish to rotate, double-click it to open it in the preview mode. This is a crucial step because, in preview mode, you have several options to edit or adjust your image without leaving Google Drive. When the image opens, look for the rotation icon. It's represented by a small circle made from two curved arrows, typically located at the top or side of the preview window. This icon is your gateway to rotating the image, so click it once. By default, the rotation will turn the image clockwise in 90-degree increments. Be sure to carefully rotate the image to the desired orientation. For many users, landing on the perfect angle might take more than one click. It's okay to click the icon several times if needed to achieve the right position. This functionality means you can rotate your image a full 360 degrees if you keep clicking, offering full control over its orientation. Once your image is correctly oriented, take a moment to examine it. This quick review ensures the picture meets your requirements before you close out of the preview. If the orientation looks good, you can exit the image by clicking the X icon at the top right corner of the preview window. Google Drive automatically saves the changes you've made, so there's no need to worry about saving your progress manually. And there you have it. That's how you rotate an image directly within Google Drive. By incorporating these simple steps into your workflow, you'll save time and effort when managing your photo library. Remember that practicing these steps a few times will increase your confidence and speed with these actions, making your Drive experience smoother. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating and mastering Google services.